Hey y'all, what's up? Today I have Sonics, I have onion rings, and I have this delicious looking burger. It's just a chili cheeseburger with hickory sauce. This looks bomb. Cheers. Yeah, that shit's bomb, bro. I'm about to have a food coma. Oh shit. They be jumping out of my mail. Damn. There's people staring at me, bro. It's weird. Let's try this burger. Damn. That shit's good, bro. I have cherry limeade. Bro, I'm about to start tearing up from this bomb ass food. Did I already tell you guys I have Sonics? If I didn't, yeah. I should ask for some ranch or something. Bro, this shit's hard. Like, I don't like. I'm not the kind of person that eats fast, you know. Shit. Oh, just kidding, bro. You're probably wondering what I'm doing, but shit. I'm enjoying my meal. That's what the fuck I'm doing, bro. Fuck it, bro. Let them stare. I don't give a fuck. Oh shit. Ah, it's also my finger, bro. Today was dangerous. Fuck. That was one of the scariest, one of the most scariest moments in my life, so. As you can tell, I really, well, I'm coming back from the gym, or I fucking went to the gym. I was starving, so I came to Sonic's. And while I was at the gym, I don't know how old this guy is. He's probably in his 40s, late 40s, almost 50. Maybe 50, I'm not sure, but I kind of spotted him, like I saw him like struggling. He was lifting weights. He was kind of struggling. And you know, like, so you get that feeling where someone is telling you to do like something's about to happen, like be ready, like, I don't know, something like that. But that's what happened to me, and like I was walking towards this old guy that I saw struggling, bro, and the weights, like it was about to fall on him, and I saved the day, bro. I saved the day. I don't even know if that makes sense, but yeah. So I just helped like an old man that was trying to exercise, like lift weights and shit. So yeah, that's what happened today. Like, imagine if no one was there, or if I wasn't there. I don't know, because people were minding their own business, and yeah, like God put me there for a reason, to help this old man not hurt himself. So yeah. It feels like I'm fucking trying to breathe, bro. Bro. The fuck is that? Fucking lettuce? Oh, dang. Damn, broski, 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 broski. Ooh. You know that feeling you get, like that feeling you get after you're done working out, like you're hungry, but your body doesn't want to eat, but you force yourself, you force your body to eat. That's basically what I'm doing right now. So, cause I'm starving, but my body doesn't want to, but shit, I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Sonic mukbang. And yeah, just wanted to give Sonic a try, so I did, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll probably be doing more videos, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know the truth, like, do you guys like people smacking or not? Because I personally, oh shit, excuse me, don't like people smacking, so yeah. Alright, well, peace out, y'all.